In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group your content into ordered frames in Chrome. To begin, make sure your content is already open in Chrome and that you're in the workspace where you want to organize everything into a presentation style flow. The goal here is to turn separate pieces of content into a sequence that feels clear and intentional, almost like slides in a deck. This is especially useful when you want to guide viewers through information in a specific order instead of having them look at everything all at once. At the bottom left of the interface, click Frames. This is where you can arrange the sequence of your slide presentation. Once you open it, you'll be able to organize your content into a structured order, so each frame appears in the progression you want. Take a moment here to check that the flow makes sense from beginning to end. A well-ordered frame sequence makes your final presentation easier to follow and gives it a more polished feel. After your frames are arranged, go to the bottom toolbar and click Present Mode, shown with the play icon. This switches your workspace into presentation view so you can move through your frames as an audience would see them. It's a good idea to briefly preview the presentation at this stage and make sure the order looks right on screen. If something feels out of place, you can go back and adjust the frame arrangement before recording. Once everything looks the way you want, record your Chrome browser window using your preferred screen recorder. Make sure the recorder is set to capture the correct browser window and that your presentation is visible and centered clearly on screen. If you're planning to add narration, try to keep your pacing steady and leave a short pause when moving between frames so the final video feels smooth and easy to watch. Before you do a full recording, it can also help to make a quick test clip. This lets you confirm that both the visuals and any audio are being captured correctly. A short test can save time and help you avoid having to re-record the whole presentation later. And that's it. Once your content is grouped into frames, presented in the correct order, and recorded from Chrome, you'll have a clean, guided presentation that's ready to share.